Snap is working with Tinuiti to help independent agencies grow their businesses. This will help to increase the reach of Snap's products and services to a wider audience. Tinuiti will gain early access to the latest products, services, and tools from Snap Inc. This will give them an edge over their competitors, and help them to grow their business. They will also be able to enjoy exclusive trading agreements and discounts on new products. Another huge win is the integration between Mobius Tinuiti's proprietary suite of marketing intelligence and media activation technology and Snap. The integration means all reporting will be populated in the Tinuiti tech platform to provide enhanced optimization opportunities and better results. The Snap Inc. agreement is the latest in a surge of strategic partner deals for Tinuiti, which was recently named Agency of the Year winner at the 2021 Microsoft Partner Awards. With Snapchat, Tinuiti clients are able to reach a unique, valuable, and highly engaged audience, many of whom can't be reached via traditional methods.